Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. First of all, open your browser. Type if your Apple ID is not verified. Force restart your phone. Type in how to force restart your phone. There are 3 steps that you have to follow. Step 1 is quickly press volume up and release. Second step is to quickly press volume down and release. Third step is to hold down the sleep or wake button until the Apple logo appears. Now open iCloud.com. Check your Wi-Fi if it is taking too much time. Reload the page and open your iCloud. Click on Use a different Apple ID. Add email or phone number to sign in with your Apple ID. After adding email, click on Forgot Password. Now, enter your email address or phone number that you use with your account to continue. If it is not working with email, try it with your phone number. Still, if the Apple ID is not valid, then click on Other Retailers and click on Forget Password here. That's how you can fix how to activate your Apple ID if it is not active. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.